Picture this: bills piling up on your desk, receipts lost in the abyss of your wallet, and your bank account. Well, it's a mystery. You're not alone in this chaos. Many of us grapple with the whirlwind of unorganized finances. It's like wading through a swamp of paper and digital transactions, constantly wondering, where did my money go? The consequences? Missed bill payments, overspending on that fancy latte you didn't need, and a general sense of dread every time you think about your bank account. It's like having a black hole in your pocket, constantly swallowing your hard-earned cash. But what if there was a way to tame this chaos? To turn the swirling vortex of financial uncertainty into a well-oiled machine? Well, there is. It's called personal finance tracking. It's not as scary as it sounds, I promise. And in today's fast-paced world, it's more relevant than ever. With the rise of digital transactions and online banking, keeping track of your personal finances has become both more complex and more crucial. So, how do you do it? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. But don't worry, we're going to explore a variety of effective methods, from handy apps that do the heavy lifting for you, to good old-fashioned spreadsheets, and even traditional pen and paper methods. There's something for everyone, whether you're a tech whiz or a fan of the classics. So, are you ready to take control and clear out the financial clutter? Let's dive in. In a world where money makes the world go round, understanding your finances is no longer a luxury, but a necessity. Financial literacy, the ability to understand and manage your money, is becoming increasingly vital in the 21st century. It's not just about balancing a checkbook anymore. With the rise of digital banking, online shopping, and investment apps, money management has become more complex. Imagine being able to see, at glance, where your money is going. Imagine knowing exactly how much you spend on groceries, entertainment, or those late-night online shopping sprees. This isn't just a daydream. By tracking your spending, you can gain valuable insights into your financial habits. You'll be able to identify areas where you're overspending, and opportunities to save more. But it's not just about cutting back. Tracking your finances can also help you achieve your financial goals. Whether you're saving for a new car, a dream vacation, or a secure retirement, knowing where your money is going can help you stay on track. You can see your progress, stay motivated, and hold yourself accountable to your financial goals. Finally, let's talk about stress. Money is one of the biggest sources of stress for people. The uncertainty, the worry, the constant feeling of just scraping by, it can be overwhelming. But when you track your finances, you reduce that financial stress. You know exactly where you stand, what you can afford, and where you need to make changes. It's like having a clear roadmap to financial peace of mind. With the right tools and a bit of discipline, you can gain control over your money and make it work for you. It's not magic, but it might just feel like it. So, are you ready to take charge of your financial future? Let's dive into the different ways you can track your finances and find the method that works best for you. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Now let's delve into the nitty-gritty. The tools that can turn your financial chaos into a well-oiled machine. First up on our list is the modern marvel, budgeting apps. These little digital assistants provide convenience and automation. They track your transactions, categorize your spending, and even offer visualization tools to help you understand your financial habits. But, like all things in life, they come with a price, sometimes quite literally. Some apps may charge fees, and there could be security concerns. Plus, you're relying on technology, which, as we know, can sometimes let us down. Next up, we have the good old spreadsheets. Yes, they might seem a bit old school, but they offer a level of customization that apps can't match. They're free, provide detailed control, and are accessible offline. However, they do require manual input, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. But don't fret. There are plenty of helpful spreadsheet templates and formulas out there to make your tracking journey smoother. Last but not least, we have traditional methods. The pen and paper approach might seem outdated in this digital age, but it's simple, readily available, and doesn't rely on technology. The downside? It can be time-consuming, prone to errors, and there's always the risk of losing your records. Luckily, there are dedicated notebooks and organizers designed for financial tracking, so you won't be scribbling numbers on random scraps of paper. Now you might be wondering, which of these methods is the best? Well, the answer is, it depends. It depends on your tech skills, your budget, your desired features, and most importantly, your personal preferences. Some people might enjoy the hands-on approach of maintaining a spreadsheet, while others might prefer the convenience of an app. And remember, you don't have to stick to just one method. You can mix and match to find the perfect balance. Use an app for tracking your daily transactions and a spreadsheet for your monthly budgeting and analysis. The key here is to experiment. Try out different methods, see what works for you, and don't be afraid to switch things up if something isn't working. And most importantly, be consistent. Make it a habit to track your finances regularly. It's like brushing your teeth. You wouldn't skip a day just because you're not in the mood, would you? Remember, no method is perfect. It's all about finding the one that suits your needs and lifestyle. So, you've got the tools, but how do you choose the right one? Well, it's a bit like dating. You need to find a match that complements your style, your needs, and your lifestyle. When it comes to managing your finances, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Everyone's different, with unique tech skills, budgets, and desired features. Consider your tech savviness. If you're more comfortable with a pen and paper than a smartphone, then a traditional method might be your perfect match. If you're a tech whiz, a budgeting app could be your soulmate. Next, think about your budget. Some apps come with a price tag, but remember, it's an investment in your financial health. If you're on a tight budget, don't worry, there are plenty of free options out there. And let's not forget about those must-have features. What's important to you? Automation, visualization, customization? Make a list of your non-negotiables. But don't feel like you have to stick with one method. Feel free to play the field. Maybe you'll find that a combination of methods gives you the most comprehensive overview of your finances. You could use an app for tracking your transactions and a spreadsheet for your budgeting and analysis. The most important thing is to start small and experiment. Try out different methods and see what feels right for you. Like any good relationship, it might take some time to find the perfect fit. Remember, the key to successful financial tracking is consistency. It's like watering a plant. You can't just water it once and expect it to thrive, you need to tend to it regularly. So, find a method you can stick with and you'll be on your way to financial clarity. So, we've made it through the financial jungle and emerged with some valuable tools in our survival kit. Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've discovered. First, we recognize the chaos of unorganized finances, and we ask the million-dollar question, what is the best way to keep track of personal finances? The answer? Well, there isn't a one-size-fits-all solution, but there are many effective methods out there waiting to be explored. We then delved into the value of tracking finances. We found out that it's not just about keeping tabs on those dollars and cents, it's about gaining control of our spending, achieving our financial goals, and reducing financial stress and anxiety. That's a win-win-win, if you ask me. Next, we ventured into the world of tracking methods. We looked at the high-tech world of budgeting apps with their convenience and automation, but also their potential fees and security concerns. We explored the realm of spreadsheets, customizable and free, yet requiring manual input and a time commitment. And we didn't forget the traditional methods, simple and readily available, but potentially time-consuming and prone to errors. Then we discussed the importance of finding your perfect fit. Remember, it's not about what works for others, it's about what works for you. It's about your tech skills, your budget, your desired features. Start small, experiment, combine methods, and most importantly, be consistent. Now, it's your turn. Get out there, experiment with these methods, and find your perfect financial fit. And remember, we're all in this financial journey together. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more financial tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.